Good morning, Tucker. Here is your daily schedule for today, Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. I'm going to go over all of this with you, friend. Starting off with our math this morning. If you click this link, it's going to take you to your, I have to make sure I'm in the right account, your Module 2, Lesson 22 math notes and exit ticket. So you're going to use the math notes that I sent you, and you're going to watch part 1, part 2, work on your math notes while you watch these videos, and then this is your exit ticket. Now, this is on Google Drawings. It is the easiest way for me to have you do your work with long division. Just a quick reminder, in order to edit this, you're going to click the drop down right here by line, and you're going to select Scribble. Once you select Scribble, then you're going to be able to draw right on there. Okay, so do the drop down by line, hit Scribble, and that's how you're going to complete your math exit ticket. Okay, so that's math this morning. And then at 9:30, we have our Zoom. We're going to go over our Wonders pages 34 through 40. Then we have a vocabulary activity that I'm going to have you do. So you're going to click vocabulary activity. It's going to take you to Google Classroom. You'll log in. If it needs your information, it'll be first name, last name, 99. Password is capital B, Bobcats1. So you'll click this and you'll work on some vocabulary. All right. Recess and lunch, normal time. Science. I have an intro to the sun, lesson and quiz on Canvas. So you're going to go to Canvas and listen and learn about the sun. And then I have a sun activity for you where you're going to click on this and it should take you to Google Classroom again. Let me make sure I'm logged into the right account there. And this is really similar to the social studies that you were working on. You're going to click the sun. Okay. You are going to click the magnifying glass drop down, hit 100%. We're going to go through this. If you want me to read this with you over a call, that is totally fine. Just let me know. And then you have some questions to answer on this page. Okay, so to answer the multiple choice, you're just going to click this box and you're going to drag it over the correct answer that you want to select. Okay, so that's just there for you. Alrighty, so that's for science. Let me close out of those. And for special, you have impacting character today. So you're going to click the specials. And you're going to click impacting character. This is Salyers. And you are going to follow along with her information right here. Okay. And then for Zern, your goal is, I want you to just finish focusing on getting to lesson 16. Don't worry about getting to lesson 20 right now. And then in the afternoon, I have a math help Zoom. You can log on. And if you need help with any of your math, Zern, exit tickets, whatever it may be, I am here to help you during this time. And then you have your novel study. I believe you are reading Because of Winn-Dixie. So your goal is to have lesson or chapter 20 completed by the end of this week. All right, Tucker, that is it. If you have any questions, just video chat me. All right, bye, friend.